Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade probiotics for pigeons. Probiotics are incredibly beneficial for your feathered friends, significantly boosting their digestive health and nutrient absorption. They play a crucial role in strengthening the immune system, helping to protect against common illnesses. Regular administration can lead to improved feather quality and overall vitality, ensuring your pigeons remain healthy and vibrant. These beneficial bacteria are key to maintaining a balanced gut flora. Now, let's gather what you'll need. The main ingredient is plain, unsweetened yogurt or kefir, specifically one that contains live active cultures. This is vital for the probiotic effect. You'll also need a clean, sterile container for mixing, along with a spoon. And of course, fresh, clean water is essential for diluting your mixture properly. Having these items ready will make the preparation process smooth and efficient. Preparing your homemade probiotic is quite simple. First, take 1 tablespoon of your plain yogurt or kefir and mix it with 1 cup of fresh, clean water. Stir this combination thoroughly until it's completely smooth and well blended. After mixing, let the solution sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This short waiting period is important as it allows the beneficial bacteria to activate, making them more effective for your pigeons. Finally, let's talk about serving and storage. Offer the freshly prepared probiotic mixture to your pigeons in a separate, clean drinking dish. It's best to provide this once or twice a week, particularly after any antibiotic treatments. Remember to discard any unused solution after 4 to 6 hours to prevent bacterial growth and spoilage. The remaining base yogurt can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 7 days for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.